So what's up guys, this is your boy Nick and welcome back to this tutorial. And today I would like first of all to show you how the Unreal Engine 5.00, this is the early access that look like when you open it for the first time. So yesterday we did a video where I showed you how you can download it, how you can download the small file. Like you can see here, I have already the engine installed, and the reading here is only 51.1 GB. Because one thing that you need to understand is when you just want to download the small version, what you just need to do is that you need to come here, go to the option, and you have to remove all those things that are being ticked here that you don't require them. So then when you're done, you can just say apply, and then you're just done. Like you can see, mine is only required total space is only 18.35 GB. So if you have this big version, you can just reduce it by just removing the unnecessary things there. Like this on the Android is already ticked and whatever, they just take a lot of space which you don't need. So then now when you just need, then you can just, like here, install the plugs. You have this one, the quick save bridge, which you can just install. And when you're done with everything, just need to launch. So when you just launch the Unreal Engine for the first time, this is how it look like. So let's just launch it. Now you see it's saying BC learning, and with this one I'd just like also to open my CPU. You can now, the CPU is learning at 100 and the GPU at 50%. So this is how it look like for the first time. It's so amazing, like the photo and everything. So this is the amazing things that I've seen on the Unreal Engine compared to Unreal Engine 4. So you can see the CPU is learning at 80, sometime at 80. This just depends, you know, the CPU learn fast when you're just trying to open something. And the GPU also is just trying to catch up with something. So the GPU is also not doing a lot of work because the work's being done here is only to open this software. So there's nothing that the video alarm required is not too much. So when you just open for the first time, this is how it look like. And if you can just remember, let me just open here another version of the Unreal Engine 4 that I have. And now you can see the difference. Let me just first of all, let me just put this one here. And now we can see the difference. So you can see the CPU is also not doing a lot of work, and I'm still waiting for this one to open. I'm not sure whether it's going to open when this one is open, but let's see. Because we are learning the two software, those are the big software that you need good computers. And the other thing here, you can see already 10.5 GB of the RAM is already occupied. So I want to see when you open the project what is going to happen, because the RAM need to be good when you're just using a Unreal Engine. And I don't think this one is just going to open at this moment because it's not responding. So what you just need to do is just we need for, I'll just show you the other one, the next if it's not going to open, because we can just do a very long video and we can just spread times here. So we have the recent project, like you can see here, the one that we had. And then we have like the games. If you just want to start the games, it's the same as the in Unreal Engine 4. This is what I just wanted to show you, but it's not, oh, it's just opening. So let's see. And now you can see the Unreal Engine 4 when it's just opening is a bit not like the Unreal Engine 5. So let's see and wait, and just very small so that we can show you this one here. So the time also taking, I think the Unreal Engine was a bit faster compared to this one, I'm not sure. But the CPU and the GPU, they are being used. So if you have just a CPU that is less than a RAM that is less than 8 GB, it will not open, because I don't think that it's going to work on this too. So let's wait, and then you can see. So this is how something is just doing. The CPU is, you know, the amazing thing is the CPU is working at 15 at this stage. And now you can see now here we have this one here, which is it's responding a bit slow. I don't know why. And you can see here we have the games, this one, the films and whatever, the architecture, the automotive. And when you click the game, I think I need to give it some time to. Oh, I opened the two of them. That's why they are not responding. So when you click the game, like let's say you want to choose the game, or you need to say next, so that you can see everything like this one here. So there's nothing that is too much change here. So we have the puzzle, the frying, and whatever, they just appear. But the good thing about the Unreal Engine 5, you just need to do a click, and then you can see everything. So this one you just need to go back here, and then still choose this one, then just say next, so that you can have this one, the blank space. And now you can see here we have the blank space, you have the virtual production, you have the DMX, and the end camera VFX. So this one was not there on the Unreal Engine 4.0. So then if you just go back, because you know this one, then you have the architecture, and then you need to say next like usual. And then we can just come to Unreal Engine 5, just click the architecture, and now you can see we have the black artifacts hollow. So this one is nothing is changed here, it's the same way. And then let's go back and see on the automotive what we have. And then on the automotive here we have like the same thing. So nothing is also changed. The only thing that is changed is the film and video live event. We have in the camera, and here we have the this one here, we have the blank space only, the end display, and then we have the virtual production. So that's what we have. Now when you come to the blank space, you can see here now we have you can just check whether you want the ray tracing. I think the same here. Just say the blank space, then you say next. To also ask you whether you want the ray tracing or not. So this one is also doing the same kind of work. So let me just try to make those one a bit so that we can use the two windows here. Because this one we don't need to keep on. So we have the ray tracing. You just need to click. So let's say we want the blank project, and now we want the Unreal project. So let's say, let me just bring this back thing here. No, there's something that I cannot see here on my computer. No, this thing is here. So let's say we want tests Ue5 1, and then here on my project we can also light test Ue4 1. So then we can just say create, and here we can say create, and now we can see what is. I hope it's going to open, because if this one is just going to crash, that will be a very. So now you see, now at this stage my Epic launcher was still opened, and let's see which one is just going to open as fast as it can. So this one is just asking me, okay. The Unreal Engine 5 is still initializing a bit faster, everything compared, but the Unreal Engine 4 is faster when it comes to this one. And let's see our CPU, the work that is going to do here. CPU is at 100. CPU is 100, graphic card is at 51, temperature at 8. So the Unreal Engine 4 is already opened. Done. Unreal Engine 5 is still opening at 83. You can see the graphic card. The CPU is used right at 100, but that is not a problem because it's not. And the GPU, I'm only using 11.3 GB. So at this stage. So let's see. Let's wait and see. This one is at 91 starting. You know, we expect the Unreal Engine 5 to be a bit slow. But this one is amazing because let's just wait. You know, the Unreal Engine 4 already opened fast and everything is just amazing here. And now you want now to see the whatever is just going to happen to the Unreal Engine 5. So a bit, I expect that they are, you know, the RAM is still at 100, but importing something, which is just importing the start content. And you know, I'm just waiting for this one to finish open. The GPU is still working. You know, the GPU is the problem. If the GPU goes to 100, everything is going to crash. But right now we are still having some more space because the GPU is working at now at about 50%. And you can just imagine we are opening 2 engines and still learning the OBS behind and still learning the Epic game. So that's not so let's see. This is how this amazing thing look like for the first time. So let's now compare, and let me just make this one small. So you can just first of all minimize that one and that one here so that we can see whatever is happening. And now if you just look at the same, you can see there's something that is changing, the color and everything. And I would like now to start now showing this on the comparison different video because I don't want to make this video long. At least you have seen how to open it, how to look like for the first time. And what I'm just going to show you is how now to make your Unreal Engine 5 look exactly like Unreal Engine 4. So that one I'm just going to do for an extra video. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you next on my next video. So bye bye for now.